Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 26th, and I'll be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So the pound dollar, I'm still very bullish on this. I still think it's going to go up, probably make a five-way pattern to the upside. Most likely eventually go up and take out these highs. I actually think it is a wave C, mostly because of looking at the dollar index and other correlated pairs, especially the euro dollar. So taking a look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do still believe that this is a wave one. I still think this middle section is a running flat wave two. I think we're at a wave three, and I still believe that this is going to keep on going up, eventually making a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five, just like what I was showing on the longer time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on just this last push up here. And the price actually did make three waves down right to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. And now it's back into an uptrend, I think. I think we may already be heading back up. I think this is still all part of a wave three on the longer time frames. And I do believe that we need to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement right here because what happened was that we made three waves down. We bounced off to 78.6% Fibonacci, and now it's going back up. I think this right here could be the end of a correction. I think at this point it probably is going to go up, take out these highs. I would like to see it take out these highs too to help confirm that this really is the end of an ABC correction on the higher time frames. But it is definitely looking pretty good, especially with the fact that we continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, definitely a little bit of a five-way pattern look to it, but we do for sure have an overlapping, move, kind of a five-way move. So maybe you could consider it like an A, B, C, D, E. But either way, it looks like this right here is the end of a correction, and it looks to me like this is very likely to continue the uptrend. I think it most likely will go up and take out the previous highs, and hopefully it's going to confirm that the trend is back on the weekly time frame, and that we really are still in that wave three, and that we need to continue to look for longs at the end of any pullbacks that we may see on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.